intakes right here.
Oh, they cut it open.
I'm not all these other guys.
No, you ain't. So we've got a few pieces of random intakes that we've got from trucks we've worked on. This one we found, well, actually our cousin found it in some random house that they were cleaning out, just in the basement. So we are financially, how do they say that? What's the fancy way to say cheap? Frugal. There we go.
So cheap, I don't even know the word.
Hey, there's a part number on there even. So
Oh, yeah.
pretty sure it come off something GM.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I just gotta find the right angle. That'd be like perfect.
You have to see if you turn the wheel, but I think the wheel ain't gonna match.
No, because it's. It'll be perfect.
Just get a universal style filter and get you a bracket to bolt it to the bottom battery box or something.
Maybe put a plate in here. Keep the water from hitting it.
Shiny.
I like.
We can adjust it all later.
Mm-hmm.
Walker's got a brand new windshield in it.
That's right.
He didn't want to be on video, so we didn't video him putting it in. So now we're going to take it down to the gas station. Turn the air conditioning on.
Waiting for it to load.
It's a lot quieter with a windshield in it.
It's kind of insanely much quieter. There's the AC lines.
Oh yeah, I noticed that when you were backing out that there's a wire harness rubbing on the front tire.
Wire harness or
I don't know.
AC line?
Something, it's hard to tell if it's the line or if it's something else. It's the first time on the streets with the service bed on it. And working lights.
Oh, blinker! It does this. And then it catches back.
Like gets dead pedal? First fuel stop.
First fuel stop. Much quieter with a full tank.
Yeah. Or half a tank.
Yeah.
that fuel pump up first, it's a lot less aerated sounding.
Ain't fast.
I gotta get used to those RPMs.
Yeah.
The steering wheel is 180 out. I wonder if I can fix that just spinning it.
Was it like that before?
It wasn't a 180, but it was like a little bit.
Wonder why it's even more off now.
That's weird.
Still need to get an alignment.
Just keep going. I want to see how the coolant does, see if the fans cool it down.
Okay.
I wish. Dang it, before.
What are you gonna say?
Oh, I can. Boost is right under coolant.
Oh.
These formats are not ideal in here with boost. I boot hooks on them and then I can't get the clutch out.
Yeah, you have to get something different.
Something flatter. Like right there, it's stuck.
Man, it's busy as crap out
I
here right
know.
now. We're gonna do this later.
Well, the highest I got was like 185.
That's good.
Just down to about 180.
That's when the thermostat closes, so that's probably about right then.
181. It is warm under here, that's for sure.
The fans are working.
That's just extra grit. I'm happy.
Yeah, I can
Can't
tell.
beat that. Where are we hitting here? Right there?
Yeah, right there on the front when you turn. I smashed it in a little bit. We'll just do a little bit more.
Maybe get an air filter.
Yep,
for
probably
that.
get an air filter for that. We gotta finish patina the bed and clear it so it matches a little bit better. It's getting close though. Oh yeah, we'll just grind that up a little bit, round it off, and drill a hole.
Grind it where it matches it.
Mm-hmm.
Money! count that. Ain't even gonna come out. Got some more. Locked. Should put something right here to like hold these at the bottom.
What do you mean?
I don't know. Like to hold it. So I don't have to.
Okay, so I'm filming a quick outro for this last video. We've been busy as can be. Walker's got the windows freshly tinted. Supposedly it's 18% on the front windshield and 5% all the way around the rest of the way. As you can see, you cannot see in. But we're trying to get this thing ready for the farm show this weekend. We've just been so busy with all kinds of work. So it's we're gonna try to finish patina the bed this week. I'll try to get it on video, but no promises. But anyways, thanks guys for watching, and we'll try to do better. But man, like I said, we've been running like 6 days a week, and we're still both have full-time jobs. I do body work and custom paint, and Walker does diesel repair. He's doing Cummins swaps and trying to keep everybody's vehicles on the road. So we're like doing 4 full-time jobs, it feels like sometimes. But thanks for watching.